So today we are going to be stuffing $489. This is my pretty in pink cash bank bag that I'm using. If you are interested in this bank bag, please message me on Instagram and I will send you the direct link. I got this cash slip from the Budget Mom. This is the budget book that I use, and I take this teller slip and I give it to them so that they know what denominations to give me. They love it. I love it. Everybody love it. So $489 is what I am stuffing today. So I am going to count the money. So I got $439. I did something wrong. Let me recount. All right, so now we got 489. I think I didn't add that extra 50. I think that's where we went wrong. This calculator is always coming, this button is always coming off. I don't know why. Come on. All right, very first thing that I'm gonna do is I am going to be dumping the money that I already have in here out. So this in my food category, let's see how much money I had left over. I had a total of $6 left over and some coins. So I'm going to take the coins out of here. I am going to put the quarters in here. I actually had to use a lot of my quarters. So I'm going to put the quarters in here. And then I'm going to put the other coins in my coin jar right here. I am saving my coins, to be honest. I don't know why. I did do the coin challenge one year and I think I had saved like 40 bucks or something like that. So first let me just go ahead and empty all the coins. So now let's get with the stuffing. So in food, I'm going to be taking $150 and that is going to be 7 20s. And then it is going to be one $10 bill. And I am going to add it to the $6 that I had left over. Let's see what we have in food. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. All right, that's good for our food envelope. Next is house. And household is $75. That's going to be 3 20s, a 10, and a 5. A 10 and a 5. And then also I had left over $7 for household items. I'm just gonna add that. We have 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 81, $82 in household items. Of toiletries, I did not have anything left. And this is going to be $50, 2 20s, and 2 5s. So 20, 40, 50. And then in the area of miscellaneous, this was for my nails, I believe it was, the beauty shop. And so the beauty shop is getting $50, and that's just gonna be a $50 bill. So I'm gonna keep this $5 in here. And this is for when I go to the nail shop again. Actually, I need a wallet that just says, I need an envelope that just says nail shop. And then this is where I keep my receipts in here. And that is everything for my daily envelopes. This is what I carry around with me. So we are done here. Next up, this is where I keep my sinking funds. And in this wallet, or yeah, wallet, I guess you can call it, savings, I'm going to be saving $50, and that is going to be just a $50 bill here. And so I do keep track of my sinking funds. That is a goal of mine, to start keeping track. This is also something that you may need if you want to track it. You can just take a piece of paper. You could take an index card and put it in here. But if you are interested in this, I'll have it down below. I did get this from Amazon as well. So today's deposit is going to be $50. And so that should take us to $210. But let's see. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 95, 200, 210. I sure hope I calculated that right. Yeah, 210. I got my handy dandy calculator there to help me count, honey, because we know my numbers don't number. All right, and then car registration, I'm gonna be adding $27 to that. That's gonna be a 20, a 5, and 2 1s. Like I said, my registration is due in September. It's almost $300. And let's see, I need to create a new sheet here. I'm adding $27. And so let's see what we have in here. So I think, I don't know that we have 130 in here, but let's see. Now I am going to pay my car registration in cash at the DMV because I'm not gonna get my tags through the mail. Last time I did that, first time I ever did it, my tags got lost in the mail. I never got them, so never doing that again. All right, so 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 184. So I need to create another budget sheet for this because this one is incorrect. Next is trash, and my trash bill is due soon at the end of August. And what are we putting in trash? $37. So it's gonna be a 20, a 10, a 5, a 20, a 10, a 5, and 2 1s. So trash is only like $108, I think. So I will take this money, I will deposit it into the bank, and then I will make my trash payment. Giveaways, I am going to be adding $10 to this giveaway, and it's going to be a $10 bill. And this is for when I hit 30,000 subscribers. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29 so far in giveaways. I will be adding a lot more to this envelope. Car wash, $10. So I actually don't have a car wash envelope in here. I do need to create a car wash envelope. So I'm just gonna put it in car maintenance, and it's $10. Okay, so this $30 is for debt. So I am starting my debt payment plan soon. Get excited. Okay, I don't have my debt envelope in here. So let me get my debt envelope. So this is my debt envelope, and this is going to be money that's going to be going towards my extra debt payments. So this is everything for my sinking funds that I am contributing to right now. So I hope that I have made everything easy to understand, and it will help you to start on your cash journey today. If you have any additional questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Everything that I talked about in this video as it relates to the cash tray, this wallet, and other things, I'll link them down in the description box if you are interested in those items. Otherwise, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.